Howdy folks, it's Hansom. We got a new one for y'all today. But before we get into that, hit that like, hit that subscribe. Let's stop playing around and get into this thing right here. Hasselblad. This is my good friend Mario's Hasselblad A12 back. Check him out. Does crazy photography all over the board. Killer. But he brought this in yesterday and he had these crazy light leaks. I told him, please let me do a video on this. I feel like y'all need to be educated on this. He brought it in with a piece of black plastic and he's like, well, this came out of where the dark side is, and boom, it was a perfect time to educate one of my homies. You could have light leaks from a few different places with this back. I will show you. This is the main one a lot of people know about. When they get a light leak, they immediately run to. Right in here, you can see the foam right there. Hopefully you can. But that foam is perfect. I mean, that's flawlessly good. That is not what is causing the light leak. Now, if you ever see a black film-like piece come from where the dark side is, now you gotta realize where this goes in, light can leak, okay? So underneath this is where the real problem lies within light leaks in a Hasselblad back. It doesn't matter if it's an A16, an A24, or A12, it don't matter. They all have this front plate and they have to have it sealed because light can leak. The whole point of the dark slide is to stop light from hitting the film when you're ready to shoot. So if you pull out the dark slide and your seals, light just gonna penetrate. It's gonna penetrate. Luckily, we have real Hasselblad certified seals. Shout out to Ken Toda out there in High Point, legend in the game. But we have factory Hasselblad seals. But that black film Mario brought into me was a piece of this, is what sits and blocks light. But it has to be with the foam. It sits like this. Boom, bam, Bob is your uncle. Really excited to show y'all this repair. All right, so we're gonna separate our film back dark slide. Tools. Get your tools at hansomshop.com. Working on putting some other stuff up there. Hopefully, maybe. Leave a comment what I should put in my shop. But the main tool that we will be using today is going to be the good old flathead that I have made thinner. I forged this. This is a Weeha. I don't know. But they are pretty cool. Shout out to Weeha. Send me some stuff. All right, so we have 9 screws holding in this plate. This plate we're gonna take out, take apart, take off. All right, so we're gonna start taking these screws off. I definitely would be careful not to scratch anything because this back is very clean. Don't let that fall in there. Dang, these are not that tight. That could be another way of light leakage, is loose screws. All right, and there's our light leak right there, people. See how we're missing that flap? It's all about that flap, about that flap, about that flap. All right, so sometimes, oh wow, that's pretty brand new. So I'm gonna save this piece And you can see what it's missing. I feel like I'm rolling something up. All right. So we're gonna sit that flush right there. All right. Make sure we're sitting in. Sometimes you gotta wrestle it. You can see there's actually felt right here as well. Now I like to put a little pressure. Boom. Let's put a couple of these screws in. Well, I guess I'm putting them all back in now. Put the other two in, stop playing. All right, moment of truth. We have successfully replaced a light seal on the Hasselblad A12 back. Don't forget to hit that like, hit that subscribe, shoot your boy a comment. Shout out to Mario for letting me do this. Thanks again. Thank you for your time. And until next time, don't break nothing. Peace!
I don't joke, you know.